how to do a full set of lashes faster. Hi, my name is Cosmina. I'm a certified lash stylist and licensed esthetician. So in this video, I want to explain you, and also I want to show you live how I'm going to do a full set of light volume in about, let's say, 2 hours. Now, my customer, she doesn't have a lot of time today, so she only have around 2 hours. So I have to do something. You can still see that full look, and of course, you can still see that they are even on both eyes. So what I do is I'm gonna start with the inner and outer corner and try to blend all of them so she doesn't look like she has more lashes on the left eye or she has more lashes on the right side. So luckily she has a lot of natural lashes, so we can create something very nice and we can blend them even so you can see, like I said, that full look. For her look, I'm gonna use the 0.7 and I'm gonna do around 4 or 5 Ds so I can make those nice fans. We can cover, I will say, at least 60% of the natural lashes so you can see that nice look. Also, I'm gonna use all the products from Lash. I'm also gonna use all the tweezers from Extreme Lashes and my favorite glue right now from London Lash. This is actually, I've been using this for the past 2 weeks, and let me tell you, I just love it. Very beautiful, and also the dry time is less than a second, which is great for me. I can move faster and I can work with those fans faster. Another thing that is very, very important, you have to make sure that you work on both eyes in the same time. So just because we want to avoid, you never know if your client has to get up and leave and she only has one side done. So that kind of look very, very weird. So we have to make sure that we alternate both of them so we have equal eyes. So in her look, I'm gonna start with the right eye, and then I'm going to the left and work together the right and left, right and left. I can blend those lashes so we can make a beautiful set. So this is what I'm gonna use on her. Like I said, I have the London Lash Flexi Adhesive, which is my favorite at the moment. I also have the primer from Extreme Lashes. I also have the foam tape for the bottom lashes. This is the lash glue tray. I also have the micro swabs for the primer, and I also have a lash right here, mascara wand. All the lashes from Lash Box LA. This is 0.7 and the mini fan. So this is what I'm gonna use on her today. And I'm gonna use this tweezer from Extreme Lashes. This is my favorite for volume. And also I'm gonna use this Extreme Lashes isolation tweezer to isolate the natural lashes. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't go anywhere, just because in the next playlist you will see all my favorite brands and all my favorite lashes so far, and we'll see you in the next video.